Every day, AI agents handle your most sensitive data. Passwords in plain text, one screenshot, and it is all exposed. There is a better way. One click, install the OpenClaw Vault skill, and your AI agent is ready to go. No config files, no API keys, no setup. Your credentials stay in an AES 256 encrypted vault on a USB drive, air-gapped, zero cloud exposure. Your AI connects locally, presses F9, then F8, credentials autofill, but the AI never sees them. Zero knowledge, full automation. Unplug the USB, zero trace on the machine. Open source, free forever, OpenClaw Vault. Your AI deserves better security.